Hello guys, welcome back to Lenap. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to use Eelhoe hand casting kit. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you start using the Eelhoe hand casting kit here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is want to prepare a few things. So first is we want to prepare the cloning powder, because this is what we'll be using to clone the hand that we want to make a model of. So in this case, you want to take the clone powder and you want to pour it in a suitable container. Now, from then on, you want to add water not exceeding like 30 degrees Celsius, and basically make sure it's according to the proportions. Now, you can look at the actual container of the clone powder to see what's exactly the proportions for this one. Now, you want to go ahead and stir or start stirring this, and it will become purple, or in this case, purple becomes lighter. So in this case, it will become a lighter purple here, but in this case, just go ahead and just mix it around. Now, from then on, you want to put some moisturizer on the hand that you want to take a model of. Like for example, if you have a baby, you want to model them, you want to make sure that you add moisturizer so that when you remove the hand, it's going to be a lot easier. But yeah, so once you added moisturizer here, you want to put the pale cloning batter, and so in this case, put your hand into it, and from then on, wait for about 30 seconds for it to solidify. Now, usually it's going to take like around 30 seconds. So in this case, wait for a while after that. So if the amount of time, like for example, you know that it's quite solidified, what you need to do is you want to shake or wiggle your hand a bit, and basically to remove your hand from the casting itself. So the actual casting, we'll be using that for the actual model. So you want to go ahead and take your model powder here, and you want to go ahead and prepare that. Now you want to get some cold water, put it in the actual model that we have, and you want to dump it in a container. Now, for that actual container, you want to divide the water for 3 times. So you have like 3 portions of water here. So in this case, you want to take out the portion of water and pour in like 2 to 3 times of the model powder on it. Now you want to make sure that you stir it around and until you have that yogurt consistency. And after the mixing, you want to go ahead and start adding that into your model. So in this case, pour it in the middle, and also make sure to move it around so that air bubbles doesn't build up inside of it. So move it around, maybe move the actual entryway so that no air is trapped. Now from then on, put it for about like 30 minutes or longer if you can. So in this case, the longer, it's actually going to form a lot better. And once you're done, you can go ahead and start peeling it off, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at Eelhoe. Thank you for watching.